Your Excellency, what is your favorite subject?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetics. That's mathematics, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Man.
So if I ask you any question for mathematics now, you go answer me, Abi?
Yes.
We need to do some arithmetic.
Okay, let's take for example. If Emefiele borrows 7.9 billion naira from central bank, then DSS come arrest and come take and go court. Then Emefiele come use 3 billion take settle DSS. Then come use 2 billion take bail himself from the court. How much will be left?
2.9 billion.
That is excellent.
You can clap for that.
Your Excellency, I must confess you are very intelligent.
Thank you.
Here comes your second question. When Buhari left office, fuel price was 198 naira per litre. But immediately you resumed office, removed fuel subsidy and hit the ground running. Fuel is now 617 naira per litre.
Yes.
So if you minus the price of fuel before from the price of fuel now,
Take away.
yes, take away. That is 617 minus 198. What is the answer? The answer is written there. Just call it for me.
I can't.
For the sake of my viewers, please tell us. What is the answer?
Inflation equation on your inflation.
You say?
Inflation equation on your inflation.
Oga, I no dey understand wetin you dey talk o.
Listen carefully.
Okay, I'm listening carefully. Go ahead.
Inflation equation on your inflation.
You say?
Inflation equation on your inflation.
Oga, up to now I no hear o.
Forget it.
What if the quadratic equation of a rectangle triangle is perpendicular to the flamboyant trigonometrical mefuma ndame dedo of kefisan?
You say?
I say, what if the quadratic equation of a rectangle triangle is perpendicular to the flamboyant trigonometrical mefuma ndame dedo of kefisan?
You are just talking rubbish.
Oga, no be rubbish now. I said, what if the quadratic equation of a rectangle triangle is perpendicular to the flamboyant trigonometrical mefuma ndame dedo of kefisan?
You say?
Forget it.
Naija used to know they carry last.
Oh, for your mind I go carry last, Abi?
Yes.
For where my brain sharp.
That is the truth.
So with the following points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you in this video that I am very creative.
Yes.
You
I have a
Very creative mind. I salute to you.
Salute is not enough now. Come on, Your Excellency, clap for me. So can I ask you another question in mathematics? Why?
let Mr. President breathe. Don't suffocate me.
Atawa.